covered the both the water hydrants back. For now, I just kind of drug it with the tractor and got it decent leveled out. When we get a rain, it'll pack in some more, and I may re-drag it to get it filled back in. But it looks a lot better. I'm so glad it's filled back in. Wife. So here's the other water hydrant, and I don't know if that's going to work with that catch basin there. We're going to try it, see what happens. I may have to move it over, but I put it there because it was holding water here, and it would drain right in there and go down the hill. Then when I added this water line from there to here, I thought it'd be a good idea to put it almost directly under. I tried to get it directly under the water hydrant so that when it's on, it'll go right in the catch basin and drain out. Only thing is, these water hydrants call for to be put below the frost line, and that box is about 10 inches deep. So the dirt surface starts 10 inches below that grate. And I think it's about 8 to 10 inches from that bottom of that catch basin to the water line. So I don't know, hopefully that's deep enough. What do y'all think? I was able to get a lot of gravel spread out today, and just another load or so of gravel and some more crush and run. I'm gonna fill up underneath the shed, make like I don't want it to hold water under that shed, so I may put like a berm up under there, about a foot up under there, build it up with crush and run, and then gravel up under there just on top of that, and have it looking a little better. I got plans for this area right here, maybe do a lean-to, park the mower right there. But we got our loop driveway pretty much done. Just got to get a little bit more gravel. I'm gonna get some more gravel and tidy that up. And then we're gonna do something. I don't know if we're gonna do cross ties down there, or if we could find some big blocks, retaining wall blocks like the ones we got up there. I would use some like that to line this, and then the gravel couldn't get past it. We just, every now and then, we'll probably have to rake the gravel back up the hill a little bit. But I'm gonna be using those wall blocks for the rest of this retaining wall here. I still gotta finish that out. But for now, I'm done for this Sunday. I didn't get to work on getting my sawmill finished up at all this weekend, because this was pressing. I want to get this done before it rains and before it freezes again. I know we're not done with freezing weather yet. That's how it always goes. Well, today was productive. I was able to get the water hydrants going and check for leaks, and I left it uncovered for a while with the water going to it, and didn't find any leaks. So I covered the main part up. I'll show you. Okay, so I got this water meter in. I want to show y'all. I just stacked bricks up. I didn't even use concrete. Stacked them loose, and I put gravel in around the outside of the bricks to keep the dirt from coming in when I backfilled around the edge of the box. But the only thing I'd have done different is put that valve in the other way, where when it's on, it won't be so close to the brick. I was able to hammer that brick over some so I could turn it all the way on, and I gave it a little extra space. And then I took a piece of jute felt and put up underneath that PVC to give it a little cushion against the brick. It wasn't touching the brick, but as the ground settles, it may try to touch the brick, and I didn't want that to happen. So got it in, and I'll just, what I'll do is keep an eye on it. Come out here and open it up and look, make sure that valve and the PVC's good to go. Check on it, you know, once or twice a week until I feel comfortable it's getting acclimated, you know, no leaks. Looking good. That's next. Finish that retaining wall right there. I got my catch basin is underneath that piece of retaining wall. I only did that to keep the cold temperatures out of that box. And let's see if she comes on. Boom, yeah. Sweet. All right. Got this buried yesterday. Well, I buried it, and then after a rain we had, it sunk down a little bit, so I added some more dirt. Did this over the weekend. Put down some crush and run, and then went and got some number 89. They call it pea gravel. So it's about 1/2 inch, maybe 1/4 to 1/2 inch. And I plan on doing it all the way to the barn like that. That way, this is parking for when we have company come over. They can pull up right here, right here, right here. And then got this other frost-free hydrant. So make a comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I still need to fill this in with some more dirt. I'll get some and do that, but let's see what happens. Come on now. It's got a long way to go. Okay. I don't know why that one ain't going. It did it the other day. Well, as you can see, I tried turning on the water hydrant at the barn and nothing. So I shut it off, came back down to this one, turned it on after it had just been working. Now it's not, and I don't know why. So I've got to call in to the well guy to see if he can come out here and give our well a once over and see what's going on. It may just be as simple as boosting the pressure in the pressure tank, but I don't know why that would have anything to do with it since it's in the basement. And I don't know. I'm not a plumber. I'm trying to improve the property by adding these hydrants, you know, so we'll have water at different locations and make things more convenient. But I'm learning as we go. So if you guys have any experience with this, or any ideas what you might think it might be, please put it in the comments, and I'll let you know as soon as I find something out, if we can get somebody out here to look at it. But we got water in the house, no problem. I just don't understand why it's not working for these frost-free hydrants. Anyway, thanks for watching, and this will be continued.